Yes. Hello, dear friends. Myself, Sudarshan Patil. Today, we are going to learn media aids for presentation, its strengths and precautions. As you know, friends, that communication is an inseparable part of modern life. Actually, the basic function of communication is to deliver a message, to transfer the message, and the sender and the receiver is involved in this process. The effective communication between two or more than two persons can be possible through presentation. With the help of presentation aids, we can create impactful message. It plays the role of vehicle for delivering the message. However, that it requires a skill of presentation. If you don't having the skill of presentation, then it will not be a fruitful. To communicate message are not possible only through speech or a talk. Sometimes a presentation aids help us to give a proper idea of of any process or of any concept. If you plan, if you rehearse, and if you deliver your presentation, it will create more impact on the mind of your receiver. A good presenter is one who learns the skill of presentation. To, of course, you have to practice to use the presentation media like laptop, LCD projector. If you practice these skills, then gradually you will become a good presenter. Success of a presentation and actions of audience can be the only way to know effective presentation. See, friends, attractive speech can hold the attention of the listener. Then speech and techniques of addresser to deliver message may play important role in this particular modern era. The relation between the sender and the receiver and the feedback to each other must be mature. Thus, we can say the speech should be effective, attractive, and successful. To effective speech, one must learn the techniques and skills of skills of great speaker. Learning from other makers may help to improve speech. Communication and its message can be delivered with the help of modern media like laptop, LCD board, whiteboard, LCD projector, then whiteboard. So presentation should be prepared and it should be well planned in a well manner. So today actually we are going to see what are the strengths of media aided presentation. The strength of presentation aids result from certain weaknesses of word as communication tools. Means all the experiences we cannot create through our verbal communication. For example, if I want to show you how the diesel engine works of particular vehicle, then it will be very helpful for me to download the video of any vehicle and the working of that diesel engine, and then I will show it to you with the help of media, means through LCD projector in the class. So it can create impact on you, because I cannot actually show you the working of diesel engine sometimes, so that such a presentation media will help to give you the real like experiences where words where the words have limitations. At that time presentation aids at the strengths. Words can have powerful effects, but they are essentially abstract, they are not concrete. So to give a concrete experience, such a media aided presentation will be helpful for the audience. That is why they call up ideas of things rather than refer directly to what you can touch, see, hear, or feel. Presentation aids can overcome this weakness by giving you by giving your audience direct sensory contact with your communication or with your message. So this is very media aids are really helpful for the modern modern era engineers, entrepreneurs, employers, employees. Now see one by one what are the strengths of media aids aided presentation. At first, audiences are more attentive to multimedia messages than traditional presentation. That means audience will take interest for longer time in your speech if you are using multimedia messages. Means if you are adding the videos, if you are showing the pictures, if you are showing the animation, if you add the variety in your speech, the attention of the audience will remain long time. Means they will not get distracted and deviated rather than traditional presentation. Means if you are just delivering the speech by not using any multimedia aids, then they will lose the interest after 15 to 20 minutes. But if you add the multimedia aids, then the attention of the audience will remain longer time. Then second one, increase in comprehension, full interaction with the user, which creates greater comprehension and higher level thinking skills. Means the comprehension, the audience comprehension level will be increased. Because if you add the variety in your speech, if you add variety in your teaching, if you add variety in your explanation, means you if you are means you are showing the animation, videos, images, pictures, then consciously what happen that the audience attention will remain longer time, they will take the interest and they will grasp the idea, grasp the concept which you are delivering to them. So this is the second strength, that increase in comprehension. Then next, presentation aids make your speech memorable. Your audience may remember a photograph of a hungry child longer than they would statistics on poverty, right? Means if you use the presentation media aids properly, skillfully, your speech will remain longer time in the memory of your audience. Your speech will become memorable. Of course, for it, you have to practice the presentation media. You have to learn the skill of presentation. Your audience may remember a photograph of a hungry child. Means if you want to show about the poverty of a certain area, if you show the picture of a hungry child or if you show the video of the hungry child, what will happen? It will appeal to your audience. It will touch to the emotions and feelings of the audience. Instead of if you are just explaining the statistics, if you are telling about the poverty, if you speak 20-30 minutes on the poverty or the statistics, if you speak about the just figures, what will happen? Of course they will listen to you, but instead of that, with that statistics, if you add the picture of a hungry child or if you add the video or animation of a hungry child, it will remain long time into the long-term memory of the audience. Short-term memory, there are two types of memory, long-term memory and short-term memory, STM and LTM. Okay, next, the presentation aids, just a minute. Presentation aids establish the authenticity of your words. People believe what they see more than what they hear. Means with the help of visual effects, you can send your communication authentically to the audience. Of course, the audience presenter or the speaker must all the time tell about must tell the authentic figure. The speaker must not communicate wrong information, should not speak or give any wrong figures and facts. But if you, with the help of modern media aids, presentation aids, if you add images, pictures, graphs, maps, then your message will be more strengthful. The audience will feel that it is more authentic than what they hear. The next is effective presentation aids enhance credibility. They tell the audience you put extra effort into preparing your speech. Means the audience will understand that you have took the efforts, you have prepared, you have planned, you have rehearsed your speech. It will add the credibility. Your image will get improved. The audience will think that, or audience will understood that you are sincere at your efforts. Next, presentation aids add variety to speech. Variety creates interest and helps sustain or recapture attention. As I said in the beginning itself, with the help of modern presentation, media aids, we can add the variety, many things we can add in our presentation. So variety creates what? Interest. If you just see, if continuously without any such a kind of a media aided presentation, if you are continuously speaking for 1 hour, 2 hour, what will happen? The audience will get bored. The span of attention of the audience is very short. But if you add variety, means if you are showing the videos, if you are adding the animation, likewise, or if you are showing the images, pictures, graphs, maps, what will happen? The audience attention will remain for longer time. So variety will create interest, and that information will remain longer time in their memory also. Got it? And the audience will not get distracted, deviated. So these are what the strengths of media aided presentation. Hope you have understood what are the strengths. Just we will read it once again. It is essential, and even in future when you are going to work for any industrial firm or even for any industry or for any company or for any software company or any manufacturing company, at that time you need to attend various meetings, conferences. So you may also have to give the presentation. So while making the presentation, consider all these points. Audiences are more attentive to multimedia messages than traditional presentation. Next, increase in comprehension. It will be helpful for creating a proper understanding. Presentation aids make your speech memorable. Your audience may remember a photograph of a hungry child longer than they would statistics on poverty. So your speech will become memorable for longer time. It will go to long-term memory. Audience will keep you in their memory. Presentation aids help establish authenticity. Then effective presentation aids enhance the credibility. It improves your credibility. People will think and they will understood that yes, you have took the efforts. Then presentation aids add variety, and variety brings the interest, and the audience will not get deviated and distracted. So these are the strengths of media aided presentation. Now we will learn the weaknesses, means not weaknesses, yeah, precautions. What precaution we must take while doing the presentation with the help of multimedia presentation devices or aids. See, there are many precautions that one should take when making a presentation. What are those precautions? We will learn one by one. Presentation aids may distract your listeners. Your words and ideas, not your presentation aids, should always be the focus of your speech. Sometimes it may hamper your speech if the presentation media is not rehearsed, if it is not being practiced. So your presentation media can become the hurdle and obstacle in your speech, and they can distract you, the listener. Your words and ideas, not your presentation aid, should always be the focus of your speech. Means presentation aid is just for helping you. you do not depend all, means your whole speech should not depending on your presentation aid. It is for helping you. You have to take the help. You have to use it very gracefully. You have to use it very intellectually. But of course, you require language skills. Without language, you cannot explain what is on the PPT. So your words, your ideas, your elaboration technique, your logical explanation is essential. Understood? If you lag behind in this, means if you don't have proper language skills, if you don't have communication skills, if you don't have proper elaboration and explanation, then your speech, your presentation will not be attended properly. So this is first precaution that one has to take, that you have to first of all work on your language also. With a proper language, presentation aid will become more powerful, more strengthful. So this is first precaution. And presentation aids can distract you if you haven't rehearsed using your aid. You might get caught up with what you are doing and lose track of what you are saying. So when you prepare any PowerPoint presentation for any meeting, so for every slide, you have to go through that slide at least for two or three times. For every slide, prepare a small speech and always maintain the logical flow of those slides. Your slide and your speech, means your presentation, should go hand in hand. If it doesn't happen, you will lose the track of what you are saying. Means what you are saying, that should be appeared on PPT. That should be there in the PPT. But so for that, you have to do the rehearsal of that particular presentation aid. Then next one, presentation aids can interfere with eye contact. Presentation aids can interfere with eye contact with listeners. Display aids so you don't have to look at them the entire time you use them. So this care you have to take. Presentation aid can interfere with eye contact with the listeners. Eye contacts are essential. Display aids so you don't have to look at them the entire time you use them. So this care you have to take while doing the presentation. Next. Poor presentation aids can damage your credibility. If you are artistically challenged, use all the tools available to create an attractive and effective presentation aid. Means poor presentation. Means if you have not done the homework, if you have not rehearsed, then it will damage your credibility. To maintain the credibility, you have to work on it. Even you can take help from your colleague. You can take help from your seniors. When in a formal situation, when you are going to give a presentation, then you have to take the efforts. For every activity in the life, if we do the rehearsal, if you do the practice, and if you put the efforts, systematic efforts, then that work will be smart. So while doing the presentation also, you have to take care of all those things. Otherwise, it may damage your credibility. It will bring you the bad name. Next one is presentation aids put you at the mercy of equipment. Be sure you know what equipment is available. Be sure you know what equipment is available and how to use it. Have a backup plan in case of glitches. Presentation aids put you at the mercy of equipment. It means what? That don't depend all the time on equipment. If equipment is not working when you are delivering the presentation, then again it comes to your own explanation skill, your own language skills, your own elaboration skill. So for that, you have to be prepared for all the things. If equipment is not working, it goes wrong, then again you have to handle yourself all the situations. You must have a backup plan. If you're not with the plan B, then you will get trapped. So if you want that you should not get trapped, be ready with oral presentation also, because anything, any technical problem can create a hurdle in your presentation. Even see, when you are giving the presentation, one has to maintain the natural flow. Don't be a mechanical, don't be monotonous. One slide should be continuation of the previous one. Do not jump around. So maintain this. If you are just jumping one to another slide without any logic, then it will create what? Confusion to the audience. So there should be what? A logical, natural flow. Then another important precaution is preparation. As I said, that prepare well. You must know the content of your presentation thoroughly. If you don't know, then it will create a problem in presentation. In other words, we can say that you must speak intelligently, and you must plan with intelligence while at home. Hope you understood all these precautions. If you follow these precautions while doing presentation and while preparing the presentation, then you will not be trapped by any technical problem. Your presentation will be more effectful, more impactful, and of course your speech will become, or presentation will become, memorable. Hope you understood the precautions. Again, we will just go through what precautions one should take. Just fast glimpse. Presentation aids may distract your listeners. So if it is not rehearsed properly, if you are not repeated, it may disturb the audience. Means audience will look at just the working of presentation aids and they will ignore your speech. So your language skills and your presentation techniques will go hand in hand to maintain the flow and to create interest in your talk. Next, presentation aids can distract you if you haven't rehearsed. Means proper rehearsal should be there. While going to any formal presentation, give 2-3 times at your home to your colleagues. Then you have to present it before your formal meeting, before your colleagues. Then presentation aids can interfere with eye contact. Maintain eye contact is essential thing. So this you have to be very careful. Then poor presentation aids can damage your credibility. So work on it. Whether your LCD projector is working, whether your laptop is in good condition. So you have to take all the care. If it is not working, then you should have a backup plan also. Got it? Don't depend on the just mercy of equipment. If you are totally depending on the mercy of equipment, and you are, we can say, intellectually handicapped. Don't be intellectually handicapped. If the equipments are not working, no presentation aids are with you. If the electricity is not available, how you can use the presentation equipments? So only your language skill will be helpful to you at that time. Understood? So today we have learned very interesting topic from our syllabus, that media aids for presentation strengths and precautions. And I wish you best of luck. Make interesting media aided presentation. in your professional and in your student life also, because in second year, in third year, you have to give presentation for various courses. Even for communication skill syllabus, in our manual we have one assignment in that you have to make one PowerPoint presentation. Prepare that PowerPoint presentation by following these uh, strengths, and and avoid some silly mistakes which just I have explained. Hope you have understood media aids for presentation. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime. Thank you very much for attending the class.